All right, so a very quick tip here. If you want to rename a lot of tracks that you have in your project file, you don't have to click every time you want to rename a track. So let's say I have a bunch of different tracks that aren't named, then I can just rename the first. Let's say I have a bass here, then I can just press tab every time I want to go down and rename the other track. So let's say I want, and this is a piano, okay? So I don't want to press enter because then I go off this renaming stage here. So when I'm finished with the renaming of this track, I just go to tab. Let's say I don't want to rename that track, so I press tab again, and then I choose this to FX, then bass 2. I don't want to rename that, and piano 2, let's say. So by doing that, it's a lot easier to rename your tracks if you have a lot of different tracks in your project.